Now let's continue the discussion we began yesterday at this time on how small business owners or sole proprietors like you can get a piece of federal government contracting work available in Rhode Island. More than $766 million in fiscal year 2013 in Rhode Island alone. Attorney Melissa Horn, who is of counsel at Higgins, Cavanaugh and Cooney in Providence, is here again today. Yesterday we outlined how to qualify for federal government contracts. That interview, by the way, is on turn10.com if you want to see it again or for the first time today. Once you've gotten the contract, once you perform the services, the next thing is you got to send out a bill.
That's
and
right.
That's because it's the government. It's never as easy as with the private industry, is it?
Well, the requirements for invoicing are provided in the contract. So once the small business is awarded a contract, they need to carefully review the contract to determine what their responsibilities are in performing the contract and then finally invoicing for it.
And that's the first thing on our list. And I guess depending on the particular kind of service, you can get paid a couple of times during the process, or in some cases you can't bill until after it's over.
That's right, but the good news is that the government usually pays within 30 days, which is better in a lot of cases than with private customers or clients.
Or with, dare I say, the state of Rhode Island. There have been news stories in the past where state government has been really slow in paying for services rendered like snow plowing and stuff. So I think the small business people in our audience will be happy to hear that the federal government pays its bills more promptly.
That's right.
Now, there are some resources for people out there who want to avail themselves of this kind of business, and they're on our list, at least the alphabet soup is. The SBA, Small Business Administration, and the PTAC, something called Procurement Technical Assistance Center. Could you explain these resource places and how to take advantage?
The SBA is a federal government agency. It is charged with facilitating and running small business contracting with the government and assistance to small businesses generally, whether they contract with the government or not. The PTAC is an agency run out of the Rhode Island Commerce Corporation. Both have offices in Providence, and they're a good place to go to. They specialize in government contracting.
Now, if we've piqued your interest, we will place on our turn10.com website a link to Higgins, Cavanaugh and Cooney. And Melissa, we thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Frank.